How to obtain your OKX UID. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can obtain your OKX UID. And here is how to go about it. The first thing is to log in into your OKX account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, on the home page, you can see the current rate of cryptocurrencies at the moment. And then once you can see that, the next step is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see a group of dots by the top left corner. Then you click on it. After clicking on it, you will be brought to your profiles page. On this page, the next thing to do is to click on profile and settings. Then after clicking on that, you will be brought to the profile and settings page. So on this page, you would see some tabs which include profile, security, preferences, notifications. Now our focus is on profile. Now on the profiles page, the exact page, you'll see other options too. Your identity verification status, your country, trading fair, and then you can see UID. So that's your UID. All you need to do is now copy it by clicking on it this way, and then you can now go ahead and use it for whatever you want to use it for. So this is how you can obtain your OKX UID. It is very simple. Just follow the processes that I've shown you here and you are good to go. Thank you.